Christ. Is that a bronchial cough?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, I got stuck in the smoking room at Gatwick. They only opened the door for a couple of seconds, right? You got to really get your timing right. It's like... Excuse me, it's like fucking Cambodia in there.
You want to take something for that? Come over here. Here, lick this antibiotic.
Cheers.
How's that? Feeling any better?
Oh, no. Not really, mate. I'm sweating like a horse.
I reckon that's definitely viral. You want to drink a lot of water and take a couple of days off?
Yeah. Do you reckon you could cover for me?
Not at such short notice, I don't think.